আমরা এই মুহূর্তে ধর্মটি শ্রীলঙ্কার ধর্মটি এই গ্রুপের ফ্যাক্টরিতে অবস্থান করছি এবং আমাদের ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে দেখানোর চেষ্টা করব তারা কিভাবে চা পাতাগুলো তৈরি করে এবং তাদের যে মার্কেটিং পলিসি, এই মার্কেটিং পলিসি হচ্ছে আপনার টোটালি ডিফারেন্ট। অত্যন্ত চমৎকার একটা মার্কেটিং পলিসি তারা ডেভেলপমেন্ট করে, একদম ন্যাচারাল গ্রিন টি, মানে ডাইরেক্ট কাঁচা পাতা আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন।
Is produced in our factory to the best of my knowledge.
Let's come to
Our
the fact
factory name is Damro. We have about 1,200 acres of tea plantation. Daily 1,000 employees are working here. 600 of them is women, 400 men. So Sri Lanka produces mainly 3 types of teas: white tea, green tea and black tea. In our factory we produce white tea and black tea. Green tea is not produced here because the machines used to produce green tea cannot be accommodated in the same factory which we make black tea. Hard to maintain the machines. So white tea we get only the tip of the plant and dry them in the hot morning sun. No machines are used. So no need space inside the factory, it's outdoor process. So this is the first step of making black tea. We call it as the withering process. Here we remove the moisture content of the fresh tea leaves by 50%, semi-dry. So normally after the tea is picked, we bring them here and lay it on a net. Inside the box it's empty. There's a huge fan at the end of the trough to blow the wind inside and make the tea leaves dry by 50%. So normally the withering period lasts up to 12 hours. But in rainy days, because of the high moisture, it lasts up to 14 or 15 hours, maybe more than that also. So here we have 4 troughs, another 4 troughs at the upstairs. Altogether 8 troughs, very big amount. So the next process is the rolling process. The rolling machines are in the ground floor and it's a hard work to take this much of big content by manpower to the ground floor. So we have made a slide from the upstairs. We collect all the tea leaves and send it through a slide. It directly falls to the roller machine in the ground floor. So no need much manpower. Is it clear? Okay. Let's go to the next process. Different side cord. There the instruction twist the tea leaves into small pieces. So the inside tea comes out and the black tea starts to produce in the rolling process. After 20 minutes, we take the tea leaves to the cutting machine at the middle. You can see a slide machine with the blade across. That is the cutting machine. There we chop the tea leaves into powder particles to get the powder grades of black tea. Again after 20 minutes, we take the tea leaves to this sieving machine. This machine works with the vibration. So due to the vibration, small and big particles are separated. Bigger particles, we take them to this cutting machine again for the recutting process. Small particles, we take them. Smaller particles, we take them to the tables over there for the natural fermentation process. Oxidization. For example, if you take an apple, cut and keep for some time, the color changes. The same process happens here. Light green color tea leaves turn their color into dark brown color in the fermentation process. Only black tea is fermented. Green tea, white tea is not fermented, so high caffeine in black tea. Less caffeine in green tea and no caffeine in white tea. So health-wise, white tea and green tea is the best. But taste-wise, black tea is the best. Okay. So after laying for 3 hours, we take the tea leaves to the dryer machine directly. There we dry the tea leaves 100%. So today the factory is not working yet because yesterday it was a holiday. So the tea picking was not done. So there's no tea leaves for today's process. The tea leaves in the upstairs is from morning 7:30. Okay. So if you want to have a photo or video, you can have it, sir. And let's move on to the next process.
ওকে,
Side please.
এগুলো হচ্ছে চা আপনার গ্রিন টি থেকে কীভাবে ব্ল্যাক টি এবং হোয়াইট টি তৈরি করে তার মেশিনারিজ।
Firewood. No gas or electricity is used because if we use gas or electricity, the natural smell of the tea will be gone. So after drying, we can clearly identify that there are 2 colors in the tea, brown color and black color particles. The brown color particles are the stems, the stalks, and the black color particles are the leaves. So we have to separate the stems and the leaves because the stems Okay, so that is the 5 extractor machine. In that machine, we separate the stems and the leaves. The stems are taken to the gardens as natural compost, fertilizer, and the good tea leaves are collected to the baskets aside. The tea leaves collected from this machine also contain tiny brown color stem particles, so we have to remove them. But we cannot do it by hand, so we take the tea leaves to these machines with the rollers. The rollers works with static electric power. For example, if you take a plastic rod, rub it in your hair and place it to small pieces of paper, it gets sticked. The same technology is used here. Tiny brown color stem particles are captured to the rollers and collected aside. Then the good tea is taken for the packing process. You can see the big bags at the corner. Each bag contains 50 kilograms. Per day we produce about 3 tons of tea, like 3000 kilograms, and for the entire black tea process it gets only 24 hours, 1 day. So 80% of our tea produced here is transported to Colombo Tea Auction for the export, and 20% we sell it in our shop. Like Lipton, Ceylon, Sesta, Delma branded tea companies, they buy our tea from the auction and they mix the tea. They add flavors, colorings, preservatives, they put their brand name and sell it to other countries. But here we don't blend the tea together, we sell it as the pure original product. So this is the end of the process, sir. Ma'am, do you have any questions? Silver tip and Planters Whisper belongs to the white tea variety, very healthy tea. Used for health benefits like for diabetics, cholesterol, heart patients and even cancer patients buy this because antioxidant tea free of caffeine. So no sugar, no milk is added, just the tea you have to drink. Strong, medium strong and very light. And this is golden flower infused. It's a factory special blend made in our factory. White tea, black tea mixed together with tea flowers. So normally you cannot buy the tea with tea flowers in the local market. So it's a special blend. The next is green tea. Green tea is used to burn the cholesterol level in our body and to make the body slim. So minimum you have to drink 5 to 8 cups per day to get the real benefit of green tea. The next is OP and Peco. Those two are the first two types of black tea, very big leaves. It gives very light tea taste, so no. These are the types of tea in Sri Lanka, ma'am, sir. Do you have any questions?
This one is mixed with black tea and green tea.
Black tea, green tea mixed together. This one black tea, white tea with tea flowers.
This color is original?
Yeah, the original color of the tea.
Original color.
Okay. So I'm done now. My explanation is over. Thank you so much for listening. You can have a nice cup of tea in the restaurant at the upstairs now. And if you want to buy the tea, you can buy it from the shop also. Thank you so much.
Tea is complimentary?
BOP is complimentary for you.
এদের পদস্বরী সিস্টেম দেখছেন? ছয় হাজার ফিট উপরে এসে যদি পাসপোর্ট টেনশন করা লাগে ভিডিও করে সরাসরি দেখছি
ফ্লেভারটাকে আলাদা করে করে না, এরা কেমিক্যাল মিক্স করে করে।
আর্টিফিশিয়াল কেমিক্যাল আছে, আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছি। ম্যাঙ্গো ফ্লেভার দিচ্ছে, ভ্যানিলা ফ্লেভার দিচ্ছে।
তার পাশে